These are coaches of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, loaded and about to be evacuated to only God knows where before they were intercepted and parked here at the railway terminus in Maiduguri. There are a lot of questions begging for answer in respect to this attempted evacuation of these coaches. Such information are not readily available at press time, but we are going ahead to find out from the authorities concerned.
Today is Thursday, 21st day of March 2024. I've never heard that in any part of the world that a train could be stolen from the track or from where they parked it at the train station. It happens in Borno State, Nigeria, where some elements came to dismantle a train and carry the train with a trailer. So they have already loaded these trains, their coaches, on the truck to move before they were apprehended, and they started giving stories that they want to sell it or they want to use it in Plateau State. At the end, police discovered that these people came to steal these trains. So I'm imagining, how can this happen in a country where people will have that guts to come and steal a train?
Here at the Borno State Police Command, the Commissioner in charge has confirmed that 6 persons are currently under police custody in connection with that theft attempt, which followed a tip-off by Good Samaritans from around the area where the incident happened. He further confirmed to us that the arrest rhymes with the executive order signed by the Borno State Governor prohibiting all metal scavenging in Borno State.
There was a distress call received from railway quarters. Loader trailers were sighted at railway terminus in Maiduguri, evacuating and loading properties belonging to Nigerian Railway Corporation. The properties include 3 coaches. On the receipt of that information, the Divisional Police Officer ITE mobilized his men to behind railway quarters. And there and then, one Aliyu Menasara was arrested. The said Aliyu Menasara claimed that he is the director, Northeast District, headquartered in Bauchi, that he has been assigned by the MD of Nigerian Railway Corporation to come and evacuate the coaches to Plateau State, where, according to him, from his claim, that the Railway Corporation wanted to hand it over to Plateau State government to initiate intra-railway transport within Jos Metropolis. But the suspect has no identity to certify his claim that is actually the district manager of Northeast District, Bauchi.
The police commissioner further confirmed that the principal suspect is currently at large and applauded the proactive response of the residents and pleaded for more vigilance to ease and enhance security in the state.
So that is the story of the 6 persons who came to steal a train by a truck. So I thank God that these people were apprehended. You know how much a train is worth. Despite, so many Nigerian government and agencies inflate contracts, you could hear that they bought like that train money worth about 3 billion and so on and so forth. So if these people were not caught, tell me, maybe this thing has been happening in Nigeria because right from the time of Buhari, every time Nigerians are buying train, Nigeria government, they are buying train, but we don't know how the trains are going because we don't see too many trains in Nigeria like that. So that is the story. Let me know what you think about these people's move to steal this train.